This is Caitlin on one of her favorite toys named Rhodey. Caitlin, say hi.
And we're done. Can you give Rhodey a hug? You love Rhodey?
Where are you going with Rhodey? There's Rhodey. Can you get back on Rhodey? And bounce? Yay! Kaboom!
You're
okay. More Rhodey?
Mama.
What do you say? I thought you were going to get on Rhodey. No. Did you trip again?
We did not slip or any alcohol.
Are you having fun? Are you going to spin in circles? Are you going to be a dancer now? You want to spin? This is actually one of her favorite things to do. Kaboom!
Kaboom.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
Bye-bye.
Okay.